When sorting a data is taken into account, Google Spreadsheet works in a different way. Like in MS Excel, the sorting is based upon the column labels. So suppose I want to sort the data group commercial, industrial and domestic in a particular this particular set of data. So what you can do is that we can select this particular range of cells, and after that from the home tab we will be going to the custom sort option, and which is present under sort and filter button present to the extreme right hand corner of the screen. After selecting custom sort we will be sorting over say type, and then A to Z and OK. So here the commercial domestic, the data has been sorted, but in Google Spreadsheet it works in a different way. So we sort based on the column header labels, not on the column labels. In a table, whatever the column label is for the table, that is type, we do not sort the data based on the type, but we sort the data based on the alphabet of the column. So what we need to do is that we need to click on F and then select right click, and then there is something like short sheet A to Z, and we have commercial, domestic and industrial. And if we tally it with Excel, we are getting the same result, something like that. So that's a basic difference between Excel and Google Spreadsheet. So the summarized report can be something like that, that in Excel we are sorting the custom sort option. From the custom sort option we are sorting based on the column labels of the table, whereas in Google Spreadsheet we are sorting the data based on the column header label. Header label means the alphabet character. So that's all for this short tutorial. Happy coding guys, and see you next again for some another video.